when you lock your needle.
Today we are practicing on doing sutures on our patient. That's our banana.
And you pull it.
It's like an actual patient. We put little googly eyes on it so we can make it look real.
And they're doing a surgical incision with a scapula. And then after they've done that, they will go in with their real needle and their suture line.
And that involves going through one side to the other with the equal length between the two, which is very difficult, as you can see.
And they'll make a knot in it, and they will continue suturing up until they have done the whole suture line on their banana.
And then locking it in place, which I didn't do up here. So I didn't do these ones up here, but I did do these two.
And I'm done, almost. I need to cut off the needle. So at the end, you're supposed to bring, if I had enough string, I would bring this through and I would tie another suture to secure the knot, but sadly I don't have any more string.
The students are loving it, and we practice on the sponge first in class, and probably 75% of the students said they went home and showed their mom or dad how to do it. I mean, they were bragging on themselves, which is, you know, what you want to hear with kids.
I'm actually interested in surgery, so being able to see how this process works and knowing that it's not an actual human that I could be hurting, and being able to just get that experience is really cool, and to see if I would actually want to do that in the future.
It gives me hands-on experience and makes me more confident for what I'm going towards. Makes me feel like it is achievable, because sometimes it feels like it's very overwhelming.
If you're a nurse in an emergency room, a nurse practitioner, or a doctor, EMT, a lot of these people have to learn how to do sutures.
This program has made me realize that I am capable of all of the things that I'm learning.
I thought it's been really cool. I've really enjoyed having a class that's specifically geared towards anatomy and being able to actually learn what that would be like.
It's helped me learn good study habits and become more social with those around me to learn.